Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So I wanted to show you this new Planner Society August kit that just got received, and as you can see, we have this Planner Society kit, and then we have this box sticker Society kit, and then the sticker Society kit, as well as the washi tape Society kit. And I'm gonna show you what's the inside. First of all, this is the planner subs that you can subscribe every month, and if you want, there are additional kits that you can subscribe as well. This is the box sticker as I mentioned before, and the sticker Society and washi tape subscription. So let me show you the Planner Society kit first. And I have opened up the label already, so easy to take everything out from the package. This is so pretty. Love all of the nude colors, so soft and nude. Just a perfect transition for the upcoming fall season. It's just completely different and so pretty. Okay, starting off with my favorite things in this kit. One of them is this cute paper clips. Let me take them out from the packaging. So this cute rose gold paper clip with this cute dangle ball and with the bow. I think this is the mint color. So they are mint color, and we have another one. This one is more like a baby pink. So the same pattern with the washi tape from the washi tape subscription. It is so pretty. I love the dangle. And next up, we have this of the packaging, and we have this cute pretty washi tape that matching with the paper, so pretty. And next I have this is one of my favorites in this kit, this gel ink pen with the rose gold hardware, and this cute matching. So it is a black gel ink pen, so pretty. I am really loving this pen. And next up, I have the tabs for the dividers, and this time we have these rose gold stickers. As you can see, we have 2 sheets each. They are so pretty. And with the tab, all of the tab with this rose gold essence. I think we have 8 sheets in one pack. They are all so pretty. I can't even. And next we have these pretty stamps. This is with the Raidan mark stamps, and we have the 3 different words you can use, use the home and then stamp over here, or bless, or the be kind. And we have these cute little hearts trackers on the bottom, so pretty. And next up we have this, another favorite, the rose gold binder clips with this matching design, stretching band. So it is pretty easy to make. So this is the previous ones from the previous kits. As you can see, you can create all you're gonna do is just take the binder clip and then pick your own elastic bands and then cut it off and to fit your pen. For example, to fit wherever your pen is. So like this. So this is the finished products, and you can use any super glue, and this is the one that I use. It is 6000. I believe it is pretty strong and lasts longer. So this is a good value. You see, provide us the 3 of these rose gold binder clips, and if you have more, you can definitely use more out of these elastic bands. So pretty. So again, this is rose gold and it is pretty easy to make. And next one, I have this. Oh my god, this rose gold accent sticky notes. So Christy really brought these amazing products. Oh my god, it's just even better and better every month. And look at the notepads. They are all gold, rose gold foil throughout the papers. It's really pretty. And again, this is the pen with the rose gold hardware all over. This is my favorite gel pen. Oh, let me try and write this. I'm gonna write hello. It's such a nice writing pen, so pretty. It is such a nice writing pen. Okay, this is one of my favorite. Oops. And next up, we have these stickers that comes with the kits. So every planner kits, so only decor stickers that will be included. As you can see, oh my gosh, we have the rose gold essence as well in the stickers. So you can see it. Oh, so cute. This they are like, maybe you can use it as your hydrating trackers, and this you can use this for your dead covers or something else. I love these rose gold word stickers. Oh, look at this, so pretty. I wish we have 2 seats in this kit, so one for heart, one we can use. So pretty. So we have 4 seats in a pack. And next up, we have these gorgeous lacy pockets. These are one of those products that we've been looking forward to see. And this is the smallest one. We have this pretty lacy laser cut on the front, so cute. And the next one, this white one, is the medium size. Like a flip it open like this, and we have the pocket inside. You can store your stickers in it, or your stamps, or anything. And next we have this, the larger one, and we have the pocket, like slide pocket like this. It is so pretty. And next we have this Oh my god, this rose gold, like the 3D dimension stickers. You can see, so pretty.
Others.
These are just, oh my god, so pretty. And she gives you a lot, oh my gosh, that you can use. I can see myself to use it 100 times, or probably I won't be able to bring myself to use this. Oh, this is so pretty. These are actually puffy stickers, but it is not that thick, so I think it is some kind of like improvement. So I like it a lot. Oh my god, this rose gold is so pretty. I think the black one is my favorite the most. The mug definitely. Oh my gosh, the bows, everything is just absolutely pretty. Oh my goodness. And next we have the bunch of die cuts. Again, the cardstock on each packaging, you can reuse it again to use. You may, like for example, you can put roll over all of the washi tapes to make it as a samplers, so it's easy for us to use on the go. Or you can use this as a background, the additional layers on the project that you are making. Okay, we take a look at the die cuts. So pretty. This is so pretty. I love this. This is my favorite. Let me zoom in. Okay, there we go. This is the chair. Each of these die cards is so pretty with the soft and mute colors. Oh, I think we can use this on almost every theme, every color, because it is pretty easy to mix it up. This is my favorite too. This, I cannot wait to use this. Oh, we have so many different die cuts in a pack. We can definitely use this for the Christmas holiday setup. This is so pretty. You can use it as card making as well. My gosh, we got tons of these die cuts. Again, they are also pretty, absolutely pretty. I wish we have lots more of the marks in a pack. And we have this, so pretty, with this rose gold foiling on the quotes. Loving all of them. So pretty. They are so cute. Oh. And the last item for the planner kit is the papers. So we have, I think we have 6 papers, 2 of each, double-sided. This is cute. So love the colors. And the next one, double-sided as well. This pretty green. And we have the acetate paper with these rose gold Dalmatian dots. And the other side, I think it is more like pink foil. They are gorgeous anyways. And we have the vellum paper, so pretty. And another vellum. This one is with the rose gold foil. This is truly pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is truly pretty. I don't know how many times I'm saying this, but this is really pretty. So gorgeous. And another paper. And that's all we have for the planner kit. I'm sorry. And next I'm gonna show you the washi tape kit, and I have took out from the packaging already. This is the packaging, and here we have 3 different washi tapes in 3 different sizes. So this is the pattern, so pretty. And next, this is the smaller size. And oh, it's so hard to focus on the washi tape. I'm so sorry. And next we have the larger, wider washi tape. So pretty. You can use this washi tape with anything, any kind of projects, stickers, subscription. And here is the stickers. So this sticker subscription, there are more like page flag stickers, these decor stickers, and some headers, date covers, quarter boxes, and then checklist stickers. So pretty. The rose gold foiling all over the stickers are so amazing. So we have 5 seats in a pack for the for this sticker subscription. And last thing, we have the box sticker subscription. And here I have already remove it from the packaging. So this box sticker, we have all of the full box stickers. They have this rose gold essence. The next one, some deco stickers, the date covers with the rose gold foiling as well, and these full boxes checklist stickers, and couple of page flag checklists, and then half boxes, quarter boxes, and some these bottom washi strips. So we have 4 sheets in a pack. If you are using pocket size travel notebook, you can fold this sticker over like this, because we have already the cut line on the center, the top and the bottom, so easy for us to fold it over. So that is all for this month kits. Everything is so pretty as usual. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will put down all of the information down below. I hope to see you again on the next video. Again, thanks again for watching. Bye bye.